Welcome everybody! Today, we will be unboxing our Terahertz Healthy Water device. First, let's unwrap the seal on the box. Wow! What do we have here? We have a pouch, which we use to keep the device in, a user manual for more information, a small warranty card, a USB cable, and also its power adapter. The USB cable can be inserted into the power adapter, like this. Alright, next, we have an incredibly useful faucet water purifier set. It can be installed directly on your water tap at home. Finally, we have our most important item, the Terahertz water device. The device is specifically designed to suit different sizes of containers, be it water bottle or even a cup. Alright, let's put this aside. Here is the water cover. And also the water container. See? The water container is ergonomically designed to fit in the grip of your hands. It is transparent and easy to use as well. Doesn't it look good? Here, you can see the 3.5 liter water level indicator on the container. Be careful now, we are not supposed to exceed this level when pouring water in. And here we have the complete set of our Terahertz Healthy Water device. Wait, before you go, let's look at the 5 benefits of the Terahertz water device. 1. It turns water molecules into linear structure molecules so that it is easier to be absorbed by the human cells. 2. It reduces the viscosity of the water by 680 times compared to normal water. 3. It increases the anti-radiation ability of the water by 2-fold. 4. It is antibacterial and can improve intestinal health and skin problems. 5. It also increases the antioxidant capacity of the water by 4 times. So, what are you waiting for? Bring a Terahertz Healthy Water device home today.